We are M&M Life on Purpose, and today's Tiny Time segment is RV Rubber Roof Recoating. Try to say that 5 times fast. There are several different rubber roofing recoating products available. We elected to go with Dicor Products EPDM system. For whatever product you choose, be sure to follow manufacturer's recommendations for how much product you need for appropriate coverage for your individual RV and on how to apply the product for best results. Before beginning your project, you will need your coating product, cleaning cloths, plastic sheeting and tape, tank sprayer, pressure washer and water hose, a paintbrush, a roller brush, and probably a ladder. Step 1. Wipe off the edge of the camper near the roof where you will be applying the plastic sheeting and the tape. Step 2. Gently tape plastic sheeting to the sides of the RV. Step 3. Prep and apply cleaner activator to RV roof surface. Step 4. Rinse and allow the roof to dry completely. We chose to go ahead and remove the tape and sheeting at this point because we didn't want to leave the tape on too long and have it damage the side of the RV. Step 5. When the roof is completely dry, apply the coating. We elected to trim out the roof surface with a brush and then apply the coating to the larger surfaces with a roller. Repeat this application step as many times as needed, again according to manufacturer's directions for your particular RV.
And we chose the Dicor EPDM rubber roof coating product. It has one part that's the cleaner activator that you use, and then the acrylic coating. It was really easy to use, went on nice and come off nice. Did a really good job prepping up the existing roof before we put the acrylic coating on it. Acrylic coating went on really well, just paint like you would anything else. But again, we followed their recommendations for the amount of product we needed for the size of roof that we have and their directions on how to do everything. So we're gonna go check it out, see how it looks. It's been about 3 months or so since we did the application, so we're gonna go take a look and see what we think now. After 3 months, the product looks just as good as it did the day it went on. So at this time, I'm very satisfied with the product.
Please subscribe and comment, and thanks for watching.